wet and windy for all of us in the next couple of days. The one piece of good news is that we won't have the problems in the morning with the thick fog. It's been pretty murky again this morning, particularly still through the East Midlands and Lincolnshire. Fairly grey scene in Leicester at the moment. One good way to get rid of the fog is to increase the winds, and we will see those winds picking up for all of us through the night tonight, and it's going to stay pretty blustery through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and into the first half of the weekend. But accompanying those strong winds also, we are going to see some rain. And we've had some pretty wet conditions through Portugal recently, over an inch of rain falling in 12 hours, and the same weather system is starting to move into us now. If you look at the satellite picture, you can see how that cloud and rain coming in across Portugal and Spain. As we drift further north, that same line of cloud has been bringing some rain down across the southwest of England in particular, particularly through the Isles of Scilly. It's been a fairly wet morning. That rain gradually eking in through parts of Cornwall and Devon, and it extends further north as well, so some drizzly conditions by this afternoon across West Wales, Northern Ireland and western fringes of Scotland. Elsewhere, one or two showers brushing into the coasts of northeast England and eastern Scotland, but most of the places dry and bright with some hazy sunshine. But we do still have that mist and low cloud through parts of the East Midlands and Lincolnshire in particular. And where that hangs on, well, staying pretty chilly. Elsewhere, 10, maybe 11 Celsius down to the southwest, but feeling cooler here because of those winds picking up. And everywhere turning pretty wet and windy in the next 24 hours. These weather fronts start to march in through the night tonight, at least helping to keep the temperatures up, maybe a touch of frost through some of the Scottish glens. But elsewhere, a mild night, but it will start fairly grey. The outbreaks of rain gradually drifting from west to east through tomorrow. Some heavier pulses, particularly up over the hills. By the afternoon, I think Northern Ireland, much of Wales and the southwest should become drier and a little bit brighter. Temperatures tomorrow similar to what we've been seeing, but of course it will feel colder than that because of the strength of those winds. Now,